Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locking in core cards and immediate plays. Focus on 40-45 cards with 3 Blue Eyes White Dragon and a tight engine of searchers and draw. Once done, use Dragon Shrine or trade to push a Blue Eyes to grave for quick plays and open with Melody of Awakening to fetch combos. Make sure to keep a spell or trap answer ready. You need disruption against hand traps. This gives you consistent setups to follow into fusion or big board turns. Now you build and extend the board while denying opponent plays. Use Blue Eyes Revival effects to feed fusion or XYZ. Once you have materials, prioritize a fusion that clears threats or generates disruption. Make sure to bait hand traps with smaller commits, then convert into link or rank plays that recover cards. This sustains pressure. If you maintain 1 or 2 searchers plus a removal spell, you can pivot into endgame. Remember to balance aggression with protection. Finish by converting your remaining resources into a locked board with negates and removal. You want at least 1 boss monster that can negate or banish. If you're stalled, recycle graveyard targets and stall with traps while drawing into hatchets or tutors. Make sure to preserve 1 tutor so you can fetch a secondary fusion when primary lines are negated. If a key summon is negated, pivot quickly. Use grave recycles and deck thinning searches to rebuild momentum and force through another win condition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.